Right, the latest news break that is coming in right now. The BJP, of course, taking on the Aam Aadmi Party over Atishi's appointment as Chief Minister, reiterating the urban Naxal town. Stating Arvind Kejriwal resignation is theatrics, a mere stunt. Why wasn't Atishi made Chief Minister 6 months ago? This has been said by Manoj Tiwari. Many suggest Manoj Tiwari could be the front runner as the Chief Minister face where the Bharatiya Janata Party is concerned. Listen in.
आज आप बयान लीजिए सौरभ भारद्वाज का, आज उनका बदला हुआ बयान आएगा।
अभी आपने ये भी आरोप लगाया कि नक्सलवाद भी फैलेगा, उनको अर्बन नक्सल भी कहा, क्या कारण?
वो है आतिशी मार लेना, ये अर्बन नक्सली ही हैं। वो लोग जिस विचारधारा, मार लेना नाम उनका क्यों है? मार लेना मार्क्स और लेनिन दोनों को मिला करके इन्होंने, वैसे तो आतिशी सिंह है, वो उनके पिता का नाम विजय सिंह है, लेकिन उनके पिता क्या करते? अफजल गुरु को बचाने के लिए जो पिटीशन गई थी राष्ट्रपति महोदय को, उसको साइन किया उन्होंने और उसके लिए चंदा इकट्ठा किया है। तो ये अफजल गुरु के समर्थक हैं और ये अर्बन नक्सली ये लोग थे ही, हैं ही। अब आतिशी मार लेना, आज इनको मार लेना नाम से ना थोड़ा सा लगता है नहीं मैं आतिशी सिंह हूँ। आतिशी मार लेना उनका नाम उन्होंने खुद रखा हुआ है और मार लेना का मतलब मार्क्स और लेनिन, मतलब हमारे गांव में कहते हैं ना 6 इंच छोटा कर देंगे, वही वाले हैं सब।
तो ये थे हमारे साथ सांसद मनोज तिवारी, जिन्होंने हमसे बातचीत करते हुए दिल्ली के नए मुख्यमंत्री जो बनने वाले हैं आतिशी मारलेना और दिल्ली के जो पूर्व मुख्यमंत्री हैं अरविंद केजरीवाल, दोनों पर निशाना साधा और अपनी बात रखी। कैमरामैन संजय कुमार के साथ अनमोल बाली की दिल्ली से रिपोर्ट।
Well, the Bharatiya Janata Party is now going to continue to attack Atishi on the lines of calling her an urban Naxal. They have, since the morning, ever since the announcement was made that Atishi would be the successor to Arvind Kejriwal, one by one, Aam Aadmi Party, BJP leaders have come out and stated that Atishi's parents were the ones who supported the petition of Afzal Guru and have gone ahead to call her what they deem is an urban Naxal. You just heard Manoj Tiwari there. Manoj Tiwari, an MP from the Bharatiya Janata Party where Delhi is concerned, could be the front runner in the CM face where the Bharatiya Janata Party is concerned. Cutting across to Amit Bhardwaj very quickly to get in a word. Amit, get us up to speed. Is the Aam Aadmi Party now going to come out with a defense? Because clearly the BJP has got its strategy or mounting the strategy on Atishi, calling her an urban Naxal, going back to the antecedents of her parents, stating that they supported Afzal Guru's mercy petition.
Preeti, you'll see a change in Aam Aadmi Party's communication mechanism from here on. And so far, in the past 6 months specifically, when you had all these leaders going to the jail and AAP was moreover in responsive mode. They were reacting to everything that BJP or the Congress party was leveling against them. And that's, you are chasing that, in that narrative, you are chasing something. But from that moment when Arvind Kejriwal announced his resignation, the Aam Aadmi Party's communication strategy has changed. Now they want to be the one setting the agenda and they want the other parties to react to it. So whether the Aam Aadmi Party will come out with a justification about Atishi in this particular case, specifically in regards to this Naxal attack that is being done by the BJP, or even for that matter, the way Swati Maliwal, the rebel AAP MP, has raised question marks. I don't think Aam Aadmi Party is going to respond to it in the manner and fashion that BJP would want, because that would mean that AAP is responding on the agenda that is being set by the Bharatiya Janata Party. So they will moreover want to set their own agenda and they would want the BJP to respond to it, the Congress party to respond to it, or there any opposition to respond to those agendas. So yes, until unless it becomes extremely a necessity, the AAP will not be reacting to these allegations. you would have reactions like one that came from Dilip Pandey as far as Swati's allegations were concerned, or maybe during the press conferences these leaders might just respond. But so far in the morning, I'd also tried to ask a couple of our leaders about what Kapil Mishra of the BJP was saying, and they said that, look, we don't want to comment on what Kapil Mishra is saying right now. So clear-cut change in strategy of Aam Aadmi Party as far as communication narrative module is concerned, and hence there will be more on agenda setting note from here on and lesser on reaction mode, and that is why they would not want to have discussion on this particular issue, the allegation that is being put forward by the BJP. Back to you.
All right. So the Aam Aadmi Party would want to skirt it as of now. Let's see how big that, it actually gets.